If you like cherries and chocolate, then this easy-to-make treat will have your mouth watering in no time. All you need is a box of Cherry Double Chocolate with chocolate chips, brownie mix, 2 bags of dried cherries, and a bag of semi-sweet mini morsels. Be sure to get semi-sweet and not dark chocolate. I think the dark chocolate competes too much with the cherries, and the semi-sweet lends a bit of sweet contrast. Just follow directions on the box and bake for the minimum amount of time. I use 38 minutes for mine because the dried cherries will absorb some of the moisture in the mix. Put all the ingredients in the bowl and then begin adding the cherries, making sure they are all coated, and then add the mini morsels and mix well and pour into the pan and bake. That's it. Let it cool down and enjoy.